This Taiss metric screw assortment kit provides a remarkably complete selection of metric button and socket head screws, hex bolts, nuts, and washers for small to medium projects. The assortment covers the most commonly used metric sizes from approximately M2 through M5, so it is easy to find a fastener that matches furniture, machinery, or electronics hardware. All pieces are made from high-grade alloy steel with full threading, giving them impressive strength, wear resistance, and durability compared with typical hardware store screws. The kit includes both flat and lock washers along with matching nuts, which helps create secure, vibration-resistant connections in mechanical and automotive applications. Everything is organized in a sturdy handheld box with clearly separated compartments and size markings, making it simple to keep parts sorted and quickly grab what you need. For anyone who regularly works on do-it-yourself builds, repairs, or maintenance, this kit functions as a dependable, all-in-one metric hardware library that saves time and repeated trips to the store.